Ready to dominate Warzone Mobile but stuck on linking your Xbox account? Let's fix that right now. First things first, make sure you've got Warzone Mobile downloaded and installed on your phone. If you haven't already, head to your app store and get that sorted. Once you're in the game, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or cogwheel symbol, often located in the top right or bottom left corner of the main menu. Tap that. Inside the settings menu, find the account or link account section. It might be under a tab labeled linked accounts or something similar. Tap on that option to proceed. You should now see a list of different account options. Find the Xbox logo and select it. This will initiate the linking process. A new window will pop up, likely redirecting you to a web browser. This is where you'll need to enter your Xbox account credentials that's your email address and password associated with your Xbox Live account. After successfully logging in, you'll be prompted to authorize Warzone Mobile to access your Xbox account. Grant the necessary permissions. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your Xbox account is successfully linked. Now get out there and dominate.